Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So ngayon guys, nandito tayo sa Barangay Bendita, Magallanes, Cavite. And napakalapit lang nito sa East-West Road. Meron tayo ditong 5 lots na property. Ito yung Barangay Road guys. Ayan. Makapakita ko sa drone if gaano kalapit. Ito from the highway, ng Magallanes Highway. So mga 1 minute lang, I will show it to the drone shot. So meron tayo dito 300 square meter at saka 300 square meter. Ito guys. Ayan, na lot, no? This is a farm lot, no? So yun siya guys, ayan. And may mga electricity, may signal ng LTE, may water, ayan. So yan siya guys. Ito yung isa, 300 square meter, ayan, along Barangay Road, yan. Ready for use na po yan, no? Accessible by car and motorcycle. Marami pa yung mga bahayan doon. Ito guys, ito yung isa, 300 square meter din, corner lot, ayan. So yan siya yung ating property. So ngayon guys, maulan, napadaan lang ako kaya ako rin to pinidyohan. Pero yun na yung dalawang lots. So nauulanan lang tayo. So para mas ma-appreciate nyo siya, papaliparan ko ng drone shot and papakita ko iba pang available lots. And gano'n siya kalapit sa highway. From East-West Road, malapit lang siya, mga 4 minutes. Tapos from East-West Road, pwede kayo ron tumuloy going to Nasugbu or going to Indang, tapos to Amadeo, to Mendez, tapos going to Silang, going to Calax if you are from Manila. So malapit lang din tong property. And if you are going to Tagaytay Twin Lakes, pwede mo diretsuhin yung highway, mga 15 to 20 minutes naman. So yan, very affordable yung presyo natin dito, no, for this lot. Ayan siya. So yan guys, for this one, ipapakita ko yung drone shot. And nandiyan naman yung Viber WhatsApp ko if you are interested on this property. So napakaganda nito guys. And I will assure you, you will have a peace of mind if you are looking for a farm residential lot. So yun lang guys, please watch the drone shot in here. So ito guys yung ating property. Ayan siya. So ito po yung mga lots. I-highlight ko yung mga available. Yan po yung 338 and 509 square meter na corner lot po, no, sa entrance along Barangay Road of the property, situated at Barangay Bendita, no. So ito po guys is ready for use na po siya, no, and pwede rin nyo rin po siyang kunin for installment. So pwede nyo po yung patayuan ng inyong pangarap na rest house or pabakuran and tanim-taniman, no. So dito guys, this one is actually malamig din po yung lugar and hindi po binabaha dito, no, sa Magallanes, Cavite. So dito guys, meron tayo ritong isang end lot which is malaki rin po yung lote, no. Diyan po sa may circle, yan, end lot po siya na 365 square meter. Ayan, for only 5,000 per square meter. Yung corner lot po natin is 5,500 per square meter. So ito pong ating property is titled po. So yung developer na po yung mag-aasikaso for the individual titles, no, nung ating mga clients or yung mga buyers. Kagandahan dito guys, this is just 1 minute from the highway. So yan guys, meron din 367 and 459 square meter po na lot, which is actually malaki po, no. So pwede nyo to ipa-Airbnb if you will be making like a campsite, no. So ito, papakita ko naman dito is ganong ka-accessible yung ating property from this one, sa site, going to sa highway. So mga ano lang siya guys, 1 minute by motor or car. Ayan. So dito po yung palabas sa kanan. Ayan. So dire-diretso lamang po yan. Tapos nandyan po yung barangay hall. Nandyan lang din sa labas. So if you are looking for a convenient property and accessible, so yan po, wala kayong dadaan ng any rough road. So yan na guys, nandyan yung barangay hall and yung basketball court. So dito guys, pagka kumaliwa kayo sa highway niyan, papunta po yan sa Tagaytay Twin Lakes or pwede rin kayo pumunta ng Alfonso. Yung sa kanan naman po, may daan po dyan going sa East-West Road of Magallanes. Tutuloy po yon going to Indang, to Amadeo, to Mendez, to Silang, papuntang Calax. Yan po dito, dire-diretsuhin nyo lang po yan. So yun po guys. Yung property is, ito po, papakita ko naman from this highway. Andun lang yung property ko, nakita nyo. Ayan. Ayan, yes. So ito yung ating property. Ayan. Ayan yung highway. And Tagaytay, yan po yung ating Magallanes Highway, no? So yun guys, if you are interested, yan. Terms po dito is 24% down payment with 10% discount, and yung remaining po is 2 years to 5 years to pay, yung 76% balance.